Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSESI. So I wanted to come on and share with you my wins that I got from Kathy Mcdowell. Now I think she did 12 days of giveaways running up to Christmas, and I was one of the lucky winners. So anyway, she sent me a tracking number, or Kathy's, should I say, sent me a tracking number, and on here it also says the 18th of the 12th 2020. So the 18th of December she sent it. I received it yesterday, which is the 28th of January. So looking at my calendar, it was 1 day shy of 6 weeks. Can you imagine that? So because I had the tracking number, I was tracking the hell out of it. And it was just stuck in America, and then it went to, where did it go? I don't know. And then I just gave up on it, and then the day before yesterday I tracked it and it was finally in the UK. So I messaged Kathy saying to her, guess what? It's in the UK. And then yesterday I had it posted. So I was super happy because like I say, I was tracking it and then I just gave up. To be honest, I didn't think it was ever going to turn up. It would have got lost, knowing my luck. But anyway, it's here. I've opened it already because it's just me. So I will show you what I got. So I won. Is it going to focus? A McCart nail file, which is 180. I'm in desperate need of some files. I really need to order some. So this will come in super handy. So thank you so much for that. Oops. And then I got some Nail Couture Eternal Beige Coffin 1, 2, 3 Go Soft Gel Nail Extensions, product of the USA. Beige, I'd say that's more peachy, wouldn't you? Let's take one out. I've never bought from Nail Couture. I've heard some really bad things about their customer service and postage, and I just never bought any. Let me get one that looks a bit pretty. My goodness. Oh my god, okay, struggle. It's still stuck together. So sorry. So this is what that looks like. Yeah, on camera it does look beige, but in real life it's more of a peachy colour. But they are lovely. So thank you so much. They will come in to use. I've got some, because I normally use the clear ones, and I've got some white ones, some pink, and some lilac ones, which I never use, and I should start using them, because once you've got acrylic or whatever over them, you can't see them anyway, apart from underneath. But so I'm super happy about those. Thank you so much. And then I got some glitters. You know, glitter makes me super happy. This is pretty. This is multi-mix. Now I'm not going to describe to you the colour because my eyesight is absolutely shocking, but I'm seeing like maybe two-toned gold and a brownie bronze. Don't hold me to it though. I'm in desperate need of getting my eyes sorted out. That's lovely. Thank you very, very much. And then this gorgeous purple. This is more of a fine glitter, and then some large hexagons. That's a beautiful colour. I love that. And then this one is so pretty. It's an iridescent glitter. So it was like got fine lilac glitter. And then I see some yellow and lilac iridescent. And then there's some small pink hexagons. That's very pretty. I like that. Thank you very, very much. And then this one. Let's take you out. So it says raw glitter, frosted cupcake. So it's a pink iridescent glitter, and there's some fine some fine hexagons. Cafe nail products, acrylics, glitters and more. Cafe nails, I swear I've heard of that. Cafe nails, isn't she she has a YouTube channel. I think she's got a YouTube channel. Let me know. I think so. I must be subscribed to her if I recognise the name. That's very beautiful. I love that. So thank you so much, Kathy, for my beautiful gifts. I love it all. Right, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care. You'll see me in my next video. Also, I will leave Kathy's link down below. I'm sure you're all subscribed to her anyway. But yeah, bye bye for now.